Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Beko brand washing machine and it's giving you an E04 error and you're wondering what is this error and how do I get rid of it? Especially because if you're getting an E4 error, the machine is probably also not working. And the reason that it's not working is because the E4 error is a water issue. So it's saying it's not getting the water it needs. So basically you start the cycle and the machine tries to fill up with water. It gives itself a certain amount of time to fill up with that water, and if after that time has passed it hasn't gotten the water that it needs, it will throw up this error. So most of the time this is a real easy fix because the problem is you're just not getting water to your machine, and there's a couple reasons for it. Number one is where you're, if you want to come in to where the hose attaches to the faucet, to the water source, and you just want to make sure that that valve is all the way to the left, all the way counterclockwise, all the way open, so that the water is fully flowing through it. And even upstream from that, obviously you want to make sure the water's onto your house. So there's that thing. And then the next thing that if it's not that, the next thing that it probably is actually the water intake hose that is either bent or kinked or clogged or smashed or something like that. So this will generally happen when you end up like pushing the washing machine against the wall. Like even when you install it or whatever, you push it against the wall and it can kind of smash or bend the hose that's behind there, and it will prevent the water from getting in. And then if it's not that, then you can just unhook the hose, and there is a screen filter in there, and you should be able to see if there's anything clogging that. But anyways, it's almost definitely going to be one of those things that's just not letting water get into the machine, and once you get rid of that, you'll get rid of this error and get your machine running again. So thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.